Buonasera, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who are new, hi, welcome, I'm Andrea, I'm a travel agent and a photographer, and I like combining my two passions, travel and photography. I think from now on I will do this intro, just in case someone's new. So we are on Crete Island. It's so windy today. The plan for today is a little city break in Rethymno Town. If you want to check out my previous days vlogs, I will link them below. This will be the plan for today. Nothing too much. It's Mikey's birthday, so we're gonna celebrate it. Yeah, well, we just had breakfast, we are dressed and ready to hit the road. So let's go! We started our day at the Venetian Harbor and it's just postcard perfect. So many tavernas, little boats bobbing in the water, and a super chill vibe. It kind of feels like stepping back in time. We walked around the harbor to explore it and to take some photos. And after that, we wanted to sit and enjoy a coffee. I wanted an Aperol Spritz because I had some plans, but our plans didn't go as planned. And you will see why just in a minute. So please excuse my facial expression. I wasn't very content because I was planning this whole moment for such a long time and I wanted us to sit right by the water, to have a nice view, and we just couldn't find a nice spot and Mike really wanted a coffee, so I said okay, fine, let's sit where we have where there's an empty seat, and yeah, I was kind of disappointed, but we made it up on our last day. From the harbor we wandered into Rethymno Old Town, and wow, these streets are a dream. Stone alleyways, flowers everywhere, and that classic mix of Venetian and Ottoman architecture. So charming. A quick stop at this mosque, which used to be a church, then a mosque, and now it's a concert hall. Rethymno's history is layered like that. You really feel it in every corner. I was in search of a headscarf and I found this really cute one at the store, so I just grabbed it. A few streets down we passed the famous Rimondi Fountain. It's one of the town's main landmarks. Super cute little spot and the perfect place to stop, take a breath and grab a few pics. And of course we had to do a bit of souvenir shopping, so many cute local stores around here with ceramics, olive oil product and handmade stuff. Definitely worth browsing if you're in town. We got some gifts, me too. I will show you at the hotel later. So guys, I was looking for a scarf for my head, but also to use it on my purse, on my bag. And I found one really pretty, and it's blue, just how I wanted, to match the vibe, the Greek vibes, and also my dress today. And right now we're going to visit the fortress. The view, even from up here, it's awesome. And imagine how it will be from even higher. Next up we headed to the Fortezza, the massive Venetian fortress that overlooks the town. It's a bit of a walk, but once you're up there, those views of the sea and the rooftops, so worth it. The ticket costs €5 per person, and they also give you a map, which is pretty nice. Actually, I just realized that this is not in English. I went back, but they don't have it in English, so yeah, nevertheless, it's fine. Hi! Like he came out of nowhere. So we kind of finished walking around. We still have this hill to climb. By the time we climbed back down, we were starving, so we grabbed a late lunch near Rimondi Fountain, and it was so delicious. Okay, so I have some club sandwich with fries and some sauce. It looks absolutely delicious. And Mike's got gyros with chicken. Bon appetit!
Bon appetit!
Oh guys, the food was just mouth-watering. Honestly, it was so much and so delicious. I highly recommend this place. It's right near the Rimondi Fountain. It's also called Restaurant Rimondi. Like, it was so good, we both googled it and left a review, a 5-star review on Google Reviews. Honestly, it was amazing. We're heading back to the parking lot, and at the Marina there is this sign. Apparently it's the sign of the sign of the city, so we will check that out too. The guy alone for 2 minutes, and he's found a new friend. Hi there, kitty cat. Oh. Haul, because I've never done it in any of my videos, and I promised you guys that next time I will, so here is next time. I will insert some clips here because of course everything is packed. So Mikey got a little set for one of his colleagues with some olive oil and some seasonings, really nice. And I got this really nice seashell. I've never seen a seashell like this before, and I wanted it for my collection. Also, I got 2 starfishes. I want to make kind of coastal decoration, so they would look very pretty. I got some feta seasonings for my best friend, and the lady from the shop also gave us to try some drinks. They are with alcohol, but they are really, really good, very delicious. One of them is with pomegranate, one of them is with caramel, and the other one is with apricot. And she has many more types, so yeah, I'm sure you can find these all over Rethymno, if not in the Old Town area. We found the shop. Unfortunately, I don't know the name. I just saw the seasonings, and I knew that I have to get them for my best friend because he specifically asked me to bring some Fanta seasoning. So yeah, the drinks are delicious. All three were 10 euros, which is, I think, is a reasonable price. So yeah, I think kind of that was the whole. Oh, and my little what's it called? I keep saying handkerchief, but it's not really a handkerchief. I don't know. Scarf?
Oh, scarf.
Is it a scarf? Scarf? Handkerchief? I don't know. Yeah, the blue one. For my handbags, and hopefully one day I will put it in my hair as well. But today it was too windy and my hair it was messy. So there you go. That was our mini haul of the day. Tomorrow we will go to Vai Beach. It's a beach with palm trees, and last night someone told us that there is also a cliff you can climb, but there are stairs, and the view from up there is amazing. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and you will stick with us tomorrow. Don't forget to like, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye!
Bye bye.